Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start now, unplug the charger and visually inspect the cable, plug, and brick for damage, because physical faults are the most common cause. You should test the wall outlet with a lamp or phone charger to confirm power is steady, and then swap in a known good cable. Once done, try the original charger with a different device to see whether the problem follows the charger. This isolates whether the issue is cable, brick, or device before you proceed to repairs. Once you've isolated the charger, measure output with a USB multimeter while a device draws current. This shows if voltage sags or current is limited. If warranty is void and you're comfortable, open the brick to visually inspect for cold solder joints, cracked PCB traces, or swollen electrolytic capacitors. These fail and reduce charging speed. Carefully reflow suspect joints with a soldering iron, swap bad caps for equivalents, and repair frayed. Reassemble the charger carefully, ensuring insulation and strain relief are intact, and test by charging for 30 to 60 minutes while monitoring temperatures and charge rate because heat reveals lingering faults. If charging remains slow, make sure the device's charging firmware or battery calibration is reset, and then test alternate PD profiles or a different certified PD cable. Sometimes negotiation fails. If none of this fixes it, replace the charger. A marginal or unsafe switch mode power supply is not worth the risk, so
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.